will be a demo on how to use the new salt management system at roadsalt.unh.edu. First, we will log in. And we'll file our annual report first, which you can get to by clicking either here or here. So we'll add our annual report, pick the winter season. You have to file it against the certificate holder. We'll use John Doe. Now, if you can't find the certificate holder you're trying to file against here, contact DES so that they can confirm that they still have a valid certificate. So now we have the beginning of our filings. We need 3 pieces of information: material usage, municipalities you're operating in, and your subordinates. So first we'll go to report material used, which you can get to from here or simply by clicking over here. We'll add a new material. We'll say salt. We'll report it in tons, and we'll say that we've used 500 tons during this winter season. Now you can edit this record or you can add more material. If you're also using pre-wet salt or liquids, you can add as many as you need to. So we'll return. We've got the green check mark there. Now let's do municipalities. So this is where we're going to report the municipalities in New Hampshire that we're operating in. So you select the municipality and then just put in the approximate square feet of pavement maintained. So this means parking lots, and then the approximate lane miles of roadway. So if you're a private contractor operating in more than one municipality, just approximate these 2 values. And if you're a town, let's say you're just maintaining all of the town roads and some town parking lots, you would just need to put in 1 record here. If you're in multiple towns, just use the add to add as many towns as you're working in. Then we're going to return. And the last thing we'll do is report our subordinates. So this is if you are a master certificate holder and have people under you. If you do not have anyone under you, just click add and click I have no subordinates. We'll click return. Now our report is ready to be filed. And the last step is just going to submit the annual report, completing the e-file statement, and clicking submit. Thanks for watching.